What's up everybody, Mario here with NicoPrints. Today we're learning how to press DTF transfers. If you're interested in some custom transfers, you can get them over at NicoPrints.com and use code FIRSTRUN for 10% off your first order. So enough talking, let's get to pressing. We got our heat press turned on, set to 320 degrees. Pressure set medium to firm. As usual, we're going to give it a quick pre-press. Make sure we get out all the moisture. Once we have that done, let's go ahead and place our transfer. I highly suggest covering it with a Teflon sheet because sometimes there's some extra adhesive on top of the transfer itself. So when that makes contact with the platen, it'll melt onto the platen and it'll give you a couple issues. So to prevent any issues, I always suggest using some Kraft paper. Now let's go ahead and press it for 15 to 20 seconds. Alright, once we have that pressed, let's go ahead and remove our paper. These transfers are cold peel, so now we need to let it cool. If you want to speed up the cooling a little bit, you can go ahead and rub a little piece of cloth over it. Alright, now it's cooled down a good amount, now we can actually touch it. So let's go ahead and grab it by a corner and start peeling backwards. Now let's cover it one more time. Flatten it out. And we're going to press for another 10 seconds. Once the 10 seconds are up, go ahead and peel. And we're done. Depending on the shirt that you use, some of the adhesive could potentially move onto the backing, so if that happens, just go ahead and separate it. That's it. And that's pretty much it. These transfers are super soft, they feel really nice, and they're pretty durable. So if you want to check them out, make sure to hit up NicoPrints.com. Remember to use code FIRSTRUN for 10% off. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and catch you guys next time. Peace.